everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Crypto Club. We all know we can get great benefit by investing in crypto and the only thing is to be aware of great and profitable projects. So I'm here to let you know about new crypto coins, tokens and much more things related to crypto. Let's move to our project, but before we begin, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. Okay, so today in this video, we're going to talk about OLEV Bye Bye. This is a new meme coin. If you are one through some fake coins, but this is not fake, this is a real meme coin. So this is a hybrid meme coin with few fun and utility. So we are to the website of OLEV Bye Bye. We can see the token symbol is OLB, and here we can find some total supply and the launch price, which is 0.0005 SOL. So here we can find some official contract address of Olive Bye Bye, which you can use to purchase the token. In this token, you have no taxes, no VC, no whales, no bullshit. This is pure gold backed meme. So here you can simply use this address to purchase a token. And here we can see their sold out tokens price and their sold VC. So you have to connect your wallet on Solana to continue with this token. So here you need to enter your Solana amount and then you have to bind your wallet with it, and you need to do purchase it from this to OLB token. So you can write your amount which you want to purchase and then you have to simply gain your OLB token. So here we can find some legal disclaimer. So you have to read this, that your this token is investment on your hybrid meme coin with some utility. So here we are going to find this customers post, which is the Telegram community. You can join the Telegram community to stay updated with their team, and if you have any question you can ask them there. You can check the Telegram community and be able to know more about the project. And here we can find their contract address, which is Olive Bye Bye, which is born with the important mission of building a gold bananas ecosystem. It will play a crucial role in creating a new ecosystem by bringing real and world with visual prosperity. So we can see that this is the contract address of the Olive Bye Bye. This is a legal token. You don't have any scam of this token. So here we can find the decentralized ecosystem. Here social channels, everything is mentioned on the website. So here you can see the legal disclaimer is mentioned by now. So you have to simply read the legal disclaimers to first by purchasing this token. We have the customer post and live chat. If you have any question, you can join the customer post and legal chat with Steve. So now we're going to find some more details, like we have the white paper. So this is the white paper of this token. You can see the white paper. You can see that this is a hybrid meme coin with many utilities and people of prosperity. So you can join the white paper. You have to read the white paper by yourself. So I'll drop the link of white paper in my description, which you can use to access the white paper download. You can download it from Google Play Store and Apple Store manually, and then you have to read the white paper. We can find the economics, total supply, launch date, everything is mentioned on the website here and white paper. So you can see the total supply is mentioned here, the fair launch date, and their more details is mentioned here, like this is the hybrid meme coin, and you can find the details of the this on the white paper. And here we can see we have the Twitter X, so you can follow them on Twitter to be able to know more about the recent tweets, recent updates, likes, and their comments, which you can use to access. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description, which you can use to access the project. First, check the project by yourself, and if you think that it was good, so go and profit. I hope you like this video. Please like more videos, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.